Signor canale, è qua bellissima. On today's vlog, we are coming to do baked pasta. And our baked pasta, these are our ingredients. We have our cheese, mozzarella, our olive oil, 500 grams of pasta, 500 grams of minced meat, our cheese, bechamel, 1 chopped onions, and then 2 chopped cloves of garlic. And these are our spices that we are coming to use. And our tomatoes for the sauce. Okay, so let's start. If you haven't still subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Let's go and start. So we leave the water to boil a little bit before we pour our pasta inside. So whilst our water is on the fire, we are coming to prepare our stew for the pasta. I'll go to this here. I'm going to a little bit of oil, not too much. A little of oil. Okay, it's okay. Just a little. Then we add our chopped onions and then garlic. Always cook on low heats. Don't rush the food. Nice meat inside our onions and then oil. We add everything. Just leave it for about 5 minutes because we want the water to be dry off. You leave it for 5 minutes. Put our pasta, put our water. Everything is inside. So we are going to add our salt. Two tablespoons is okay, 2.5. Just a little, a pinch of it. It's okay. Guys, see how our minced meat is. The water has dried a bit. Oh, it's almost dry. So we are adding our tomatoes. Everything. 4 bottles of tomatoes. We are stirring it. Look at our pasta too. Almost done. So we leave it for 5 minutes. Then we add our spices inside. Spices. Our fennel, rosemary, curry, everything. We are adding everything together. After that, we stir it. After 2 minutes, then we check the taste if it is okay. Still, if the taste that I'm looking for, let me see. Keep on. Italy we say keep on. But we add a little bit of salt to it. Just a little. Let's leave it about 5 minutes. Then it's ready. The pasta is ready. Okay? Just look at the pasta. Have you seen it? Pasta is ready, so we are opening our fire. So we are coming to mix our pasta with our stew. Let's pour it here. We add our bechamel. It makes the pasta soft. We add everything. Then you mix together with the stew. So we're coming to add our pasta to. Come to mix our pasta. Let me see. Don't forget to on your oven if you want it very fast. I think 5 to 7 minutes it will be ready inside the oven. So we are coming to pour it a bit by bit. Then you spread it. After spreading it, you add your cheese. You spread it. Little bit, and then your mozzarella. Add another pasta. Let's add more. We're not going to add any pasta again. We are sprinkling our cheese on it, on top of it. This time, more. Let the cheese be more. It makes it very sweet and tastes nice. Mozzarella. Spread it on top of it. Put your oven it for 30 minutes. Less than 30 minutes. Ready. Okay. So it's ready, yeah? Inside our oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Then it's ready. If you haven't still subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, okay? Our pasta is ready. Wow! Nice! Just look at it. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So, let's see how it came like. Is pretty. Oh la la! Wow! Guys, let me taste it. You really need to try it out, man. Very delicious. If you haven't still subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. Please try it at home, man. It's really nice and delicious for the children too. I will see you in my next video. See ya. Bye bye.